Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Clarizz, and if you're new to this channel, I really want to invite all of you to subscribe because we do tons of great DIYs right here every single week. So for today, I'm bringing you another awesome DIY. I wanted to do this DIY in particular because I've been looking for the most perfect centerpiece for my table. So I want to share with all of you this super easy and chic centerpiece, which is the popular moss bowls that you might have seen in magazines or even on television. I know you probably are all thinking this, it looks exactly like a salad bowl, but this moss bowl is actually inspired by French country design because they wanted to bring in a little bit of nature into the house. These actually sell for super expensive online. I've even seen them on television. They're the main centerpiece for Khloe and Kardashians' living room, and they do just bring this element of chicness and also just a modernism touch to bringing in a little bit of nature into your living room. So let's get started. I'm super excited because this is super easy and I know you'll love it. So of course we gotta hit up the thrift store if we want to make this super affordable and also the cheapest as possible. I found some super awesome bowls. Also went to Michael's to get some moss. I did want to get some artificial, no actually these are not artificial, they're real moss but just dried up. I didn't want any bugs in the house or just want to just minimalize that, so I did get the dry moss. You can also get them from the dollar store. Now you can permanently glue this down with a glue gun, but I think I'm going to change it around later, so I'm going to keep it the way it is and just place it on the bowl itself. As you can see, it's super easy. You just place the moss inside the bowl, but to give it that really whimsical look, we're going to make these moss balls and we're pretty much going to shape them into small balls. You can also buy pre-made ones from Michael's, and the whole point of this is so that it just looks a little bit more unified, and this gives it that French garden influence. Okay, so we're going to remake another look, and this time I found a ceramic bowl, also from the thrift store, for only $6. So basically, I went to the clearance store at Michael's and I found this moss-covered rocks. Well, they're actually styrofoam, but they're covered in this faux moss, and this is the look that we're going for. This one costs so much money, at least like $80, and we're just doing it for under 15 bucks. I first put a little bit of leftover moss from the first bowl, and then I just randomly placed those rocks, those faux rocks that we got. This whole thing of succulents cost only $1 because they were all 80% off, and I just randomly placed it on there. You can glue it if you want, but I'm again leaving it the way it is, and they just look absolutely breathtaking. Completely in love and just totally feeling this centerpiece. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. I always love hearing from all of you, and I just did a recent giveaway and I might just do another one soon, so make sure that you comment down below so that I know that you're watching, and I might just pick the winner from there. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and if you want to watch some of my wedding DIYs and also a little bit of vlogging, go to my other channel, which is House of Callie, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!